Tired of playing alone? Custom servers are the best way to play Minecraft Pocket Edition with friends or community. I'll show you exactly where to go and what information you need to join any server you find. The most important thing you need is the server's information, its address and port number. Write this information down so you have it ready. Now let's open the app and add the server. Open the Minecraft app, tap the play button, go to the servers tab at the top, scroll down and tap the add server button. A new screen will appear. Tap the server name field and enter the name of your server. Next, tap the server address field and carefully type or paste the server's IP address. Finally, tap the port field and make sure the correct port number is entered. Once you have entered the information, you're ready to connect. If it doesn't connect, double-check the IP and port number. Make sure your internet connection is stable. That's all there is to it. You can now play on any custom server you want.